This video presents you with an effort to renew a balanced community ecosystem with local tourism resources uh, disproportionately developed in Gwanghwamun Square as a famous touristic destination in South Korea. The book chapter title is Science Tour and Business Model Using Digital Twin-Based Augmented Reality. As the authors of this article, I'm Seungyoub, who is in charge of this video's narration, and Professor Woontack uh, is the corresponding author from KAIST. Jung as a research collaborator from Korean National University of Cultural Heritage. Minjeong and Professor Timothy Jung as research collaborators from Manchester Metropolitan University. Also, this work has been done at KAIST KIITC, Augmented Reality Research Center, and was supported by the KAIST G-Core grant funded by the Ministry of Science and ICT. There are various museums, art galleries, science museums, and experience centers in and around Gwanghwamun Square. In particular, Gwanghwamun Square and its surroundings are valued as a place to experience the history and latest trends of science in South Korea. There are many cultural organizations with science heritage contents in Gwanghwamun Square, such as the Gwanghwamun Gyeongbokgun Palace, uh, National Palace Museum of Korea, National Museum of Korea Contemporary History, National Museum of Modern and Contemporary Art, National Children's Science Center, and Corporate Technology Experience Centers. As science heritage contents are managed by the separated information systems of each institution, they were not integrated well, and therefore tourists have difficulty accessing desired content. In order for tourists who are visiting Gwanghwamun Square to receive tourism services on a single platform, the content management systems must be integrated. In this article, we propose a digital twin tourism content management system with metadata that provides integrated management of tourism information around Gwanghwamun Square. Uh, this includes digital twin-based content and route recommendation system that could provide customized content as well as an optimal route recommendation service. In addition, we propose a business model with the science tourism platform based on digital twin technology that contributes economic activities in Gwanghwamun Square by integrating various contents online. To achieve the aim of this study, following object was set. Number one is proposing a digital twin-based tourism content management system to integrate, manage, and utilize tourism contents that are managed by separate information systems. Also proposing a digital twin-based tourism business model that resolves information asymmetry and maximized customer satisfaction through economic efficiency and data utility. If a digital twin-based smart tourism platform is successful implemented, then it is expected that this will encourage tourists to revisit Gwanghwamun Square and also contribute to sustainable growth of local tourism related business in Gwanghwamun Square. Okay. Next, proposition of digital twin-based tourism platform and business model. So we propose a digital twin-based science tourism service to enable tourists obtain seamless tourism services via integrated management of scattered science heritage content and authoring and sharing of tourists. The data section in the picture uh, includes data generated from the existing database as well as data generated by location shipped after tourists generate media on their mobile phones. The generated media and data are sent to the data platform. Uh, in the data platform section, the collected tourism data is integrated and saved in the form of predefined metadata, and it enables numerical simulation to visualize data tables and predict tourism figures. For example, congestion, the tourism demand, movement information in terms of data management. The digital twin section supports monitoring, for example, determining the location of children in tourist sites and visualization of tourism data, for example, plotting population on a 3D map. Tourism planning, for example, finding optimal travel routes. Simulation, for example, predicting traffic jams. Also, verification of real-time tourism information and operation of tourism facilities. The next, the AR tour platform section supports technology to provide precise location-based services and in-situ authoring, 2D and 3D rendering of tourism information, context awareness to provide service that reflects user and environment data, and user interface support. AR services include recommendations of tourist spots for individual taste related to science, finding the best route to enjoy tours from a current location, tourism and authored data sharing with tourists nearby, and game services. Finally, tourists undergo the authentication process through multimodal interfaces such as smartphones and AR glasses to experience digital twin-based services suited to user information. Moreover, they create location-based contents and upload and share them on digital twins through the AR server. Tourist site managers can provide optimal services for tourists through various simulation on the data platform and digital twin. In the concept map of digital twin-based AR tourism service in the picture, the data platform obtains data from the mobile devices of tourists, IoT sensors installed at tourist sites, and databases of cultural organization, and then integrates analysis, simulates, visualizes, and manages and saves the data. The digital twin collects information from the data platform and uses it for monitoring, visualizing, planning, simulation, verification, and operation. The AI platform prompts the AI server and open database server to provide ARVR tour services through WISE Geo AR, in situ authoring, 2D, 3D rendering, and context awareness, dynamic SLAM, and NUI, natural user interface management. Tourists can receive services such as science, heritage, content, recommendation, pathfinding, science, heritage content sharing, and science heritage content gamification. The content sharing feature of AI science tour services can resolve the, the digital divide among regions through immersive experience of science tourism by supporting digital visualization technology online. Moreover, by combining and providing various tourism contents using features such as content recommendation and best path finding, the platform will increase tourist satisfaction and uh, accessibility of relatively isolated tourist sites, thereby promoting economic activities in the surrounding areas. Uh, finally, AL gamification with in-situ running combined with location-based services includes an increase in the flow of content understanding through rewards and experiences to produce a scientific tourism business model. Okay, next picture. So the digital twin-based tourism business platform provides products and information that meet the needs of visitors based on big data analysis of tourist behavior in connection with the AR tourism service. As a result of testing the AR tourism platform through Dublin Tourist, the user's interface design, easy navigation, and program speed were important. Both large and SME, small and medium-sized enterprises which provide tourism products or services can secure channels to promote and sell their products through the digital twin-based tourism business platform, while they are holding sales promotion to sell tourism products. Moreover, they can establish a business ecosystem by analyzing data from reviews, customer reviews, and providing feedback to businesses, as well as obtaining new customers by increasing customer touchpoint in connection with the external social media platform. This can contribute to the revitalization of the regional economy by increasing tourist satisfaction and offering quality information on product and services according to individual preference. Yes, by applying the technology and business model described above, tourists can experience virtual artifacts in Gwanghwamun Square and also recommend semantically related content through digital twin-based AR. The tourists decide the artifacts of interest, interest through the AR experience, and the digital twin recommends the AR tourism route in consideration of the visitors' preferences and the congestion of cultural institutions. The tourist can watch virtual and real artifacts and upload their experience to digital twins as well as share them on SNS. Digital twins store and manage the tourist experience information, and they use it for content recommendations when they are returning. The, the tourist can access the digital twin through virtual reality to purchase touristic products based on the object of interest after the tours. Okay, so finally, the digital twin-based smart tourism content management system provides customized services for customers using metadata based on existing tourism resources. The customized contents and uh, optimal route recommendation services even induce tourists to visit tourist uh, attractions that had been neglected due to the lack of information. Therefore, the dually proposed system would result in the balanced development of the regional economy and a ripple effect on the growth of tourism-related businesses. Furthermore, it also provides a high-quality business platform with increased tourist satisfaction by inducing understanding of content and flow through reward and experience. We expect that it proposed a framework for digital twin-based AR science tourism services, uh, and which will contribute to the development of data management and utilization method by using a metadata-based digital twin to integrate various contents. Besides, this study contributes to in, inducing revisit of tourists and revitalizing the regional economy by proposing an AR science tourism platform business model. This study proposed a digital twin platform structure and content and past recommendation services based on this platform from the perspective of content managers of digital twin-based tourism services. Academically, the study stimulates discussion on the potential benefits and challenges of the new digital twin-based tourism service platform from the perspectives technical development as well as a business model in context of science heritage tourism. Further, research is required on user experience and VR AR application interfaces from the perspective of tourists. Furthermore, We uh, anticipate anticipate uh, quantitative research and validity analysis on suitability of the business model for digital twin-based science tourism services. Okay. This study was designed by many personnel from various institutions. So we share emails from people in charge of each field. If you have any questions about the research, you can contact the researchers directly. So thank you very much.